Hey everyone, welcome back to the tutorial lab. Today, we're diving into a super useful feature on your Google Pixel phone, split-screen multitasking. I'm going to show you exactly how to split-screen multitask on any Google Pixel phone. And it's a very easy process. The very first thing you want to do is open up the apps you want to use. Now, not every app supports split screen, so keep that in mind, but the majority of them do. So, in this case, we have YouTube app, right? And let's say we want to split screen in Google Chrome as well. To get to your multitasking panel, simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen like this. Make sure you have the apps you want to use in this panel. Then tap on the app logo at the top, which you want to use first. You'll see a split screen option right here. Click on Split Screen. Now choose the second app you want to use for the bottom half of the screen by tapping on it. And that's it. We're now in split screen mode. You can use both apps simultaneously just like you normally would. If you want to exit split screen, simply drag the middle bar to the top or bottom of the screen. You can also swipe between the apps like this. So that's how you split screen multitask on your Pixel phone. Pretty easy, right? If you guys have any other questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit that like button and definitely hit that subscribe button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.